no match being played. I ain't about your fucking shit. Because I've been making a video since the fucking game's supposed to have been played, and you're not fucking starting it. You host first on Octane. If you think I no-show for a match that's at 3 o'clock, and it's 3:15 no-show, I actually have until 3:20 until, 3:20 right there. Just hit 3:20. I have until 3:20 to play second map. It's a best of 3. Get up on your fucking rules. Don't try to dispute and fucking make a match sit there for fucking 3 fucking days. The match is gonna get canceled because nobody's playing it. You don't even got a mic, or you're too much of a pussy to fucking speak. You're a random. Fucking cancel the match or